Press the bell icon on the YouTube app.
Happy Saraswati Puja. Mother Goddess, Goddess of knowledge, music, arts, speech, wisdom, learning, and the Saraswati River. The other names of Saraswati Goddess is Sharada, Savitri, Brahmani, Bharati, Bani, Bhagdevi, Devnagari, Saraswati. Affiliation: Devi, River Goddess, Sri Devi, Gayatri. Abode: Satya Loka. Mantra: Om Ma Sarvaita Namah. Om Shri Ma Saraswati Namah. Symbols: white color, lotus, Veena, Saraswati river, books. Mount, swan or peacock. Festivals: Basant Panchami and the 7th day of Navaratri. Goddess Saraswati. Saraswati, also known as Sharada, is the Hindu goddess of knowledge, music, art, speech, wisdom, and learning. She is a part of the Trinity, Tridevi of Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Parvati. All the three forms help the Trinity of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva to create, maintain, and regenerate the universe, respectively. The earliest known mention of Saraswati as a goddess is in the Rig Veda. She has remained significant as a goddess from the Vedic period through modern times of Hindu traditions. She is generally shown to have 4 arms holding a book, a rosary, a water pot, and a musical instrument called Veena. Each of these items have symbolic meaning in Hinduism. Some Hindus celebrate the festival of Basant Panchami, the 5th day of spring, and also known as Saraswati Puja and Saraswati Jayanti in so many parts of India. In her honor, and mark the day by helping young children learn how to write the letters of the alphabet on that day. The goddess is also revered by the believers of the Jain religion of West and Central India, as well as some Buddhist sects. New topic or next topic is Basant Panchami. Basant Panchami. Basant Panchami, also called Saraswati Puja, is a festival that marks the preparation for the arrival of spring. The festival is celebrated by people in various ways depending upon the region in the life in Indian subcontinent. Basant Panchami also marks the start of preparation for the Holika and Holi, which takes place 40 days later. The Basant Utsav festival on Panchami is celebrated 40 days before spring because any season's transition period is 40 days, and after that the season comes into full bloom. Basant Panchami welcomes spring. People dress in yellow to mark flowering mustard fields. Official name Basant Panchami, also called Saraswati Puja Basant Panchami, observed by Hindus, Sikhs, Jains and Muslims in India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Java and Bali, which is called Indonesia. Bali is an island in Indonesia. Type: cultural. Significance: spring, harvest, goddess Saraswati. Celebrations: worship of goddess Saraswati. 2020 date was 29 January Wednesday. 2021 date is 16 February Tuesday. And thanks for watching.
फल में